If y'all are looking for a cute, affordable spring summer wig that's under $100, I got you covered. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit popping like, woo. Big moves. My rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like, woo. Who said they looking for me? Look at this baby right here. And it's completely glueless. As you can see, y'all better get into this. So yes, you heard me. This wig is under $100, y'all. I believe this is the most affordable wig that I have posted on my YouTube channel to date. And this wig is available on Amazon, y'all. So you can get that super quick shipping that we all love. I would like to thank ISEE Hair's Amazon store for sponsoring today's wig install for you guys. Y'all know I'm a long hair girly, but I've been loving these short installs as of late. And this wig, you can literally throw it on and go, y'all. And she's so cute. These curls already came in the wig when I received it, so I did not have to recurl this hair. Obviously, when I wash the hair, I'm gonna have to curl it, but for right now, why have to do extra work? It already comes curled, so I'm gonna keep these curls in here. And I love the fact that the back of the hair is shorter than the front. I did add baby hairs, but that's definitely optional. You don't have to do baby hairs with this wig if you don't want to. Before we get into this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. This wig is crazy affordable, so come on now, give your girl a thumbs up for an affordable wig install. And if you would like to see how I installed the super affordable wig from ISEE Hair's Amazon store, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So I've already wore this wig once. I wanted to test it out just to make sure the quality was there, because this wig is super affordable, y'all. This is from ISEE Hair's Amazon store, and this is the 16-inch wear and go bob wig. The lace closure comes pre-cut in a zigzag motion. The knots on this wig are not bleached, but they are super tiny, so you can barely see them, y'all. And the inside of the cap has no wig combs at all, which I'm happy about. I don't like wig combs in my wigs. The only one I really ever use is the one in the back. And it also comes with a dip right here for your ear to sit nice and secure. So let's go ahead and throw this wig on our head. It does have an adjustable elastic band strap. I will be using that to keep the wig nice and secure on my head. So let's line this baby up. There we go. I've already added my foundation underneath the lace. I already added a little bit of concealer to the parting area as well. So what I'm first gonna do is go in with a little bit of this wax stick around the entire parting area to get it nice and sleek. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of my spritz spray and spray it around the entire parting area as well. Then I'm going to take my hot comb and we're going to comb this baby down. We don't want a hump in our wig. We want this baby to be laid down, okay? So I do want to add some baby hairs in the front. I did cut a few the other day, but I just want to fix it up a little bit and just cut them with my eyebrow scissors. And then I'm going to pull this hair back just to get it out the way so I can see where my baby hairs are. And I'm going to do the same on the edges here. So I'm going to take a little bit of my mousse and just apply it to the lace here. Next, I'm going to take my edge brush and we're just going to use that to lay these baby hairs, y'all. Nothing crazy. So next I'm going to take the hair and just pin it up and out the way. And I'm going to take my elastic melting band and tie it around. I'm going to keep this on for 10 minutes and then I'll be back. So let's go ahead and take off this elastic band. I want these baby hairs to be fluffy, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take down this hair. So the natural curl pattern of this hair is really pretty. It already comes pre-curled like this, and I actually really like it. I'm gonna comb through this hair with a wide tooth comb. What do y'all think? Would you rock this wig or not? I think she's cute, especially for summer. If you don't want to wear a lot of hair or have a lot of hair like down your back, this is like the perfect length. And you can do even shorter if you want a shorter style bob, but I'm loving this length, and I love how it gets shorter in the back as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix the areas of my makeup that got mussed up from the mousse, and I'll be back. So I went ahead and fixed my makeup. I always hate it when I get a little bit of mousse or something running down my face and it messed my makeup up, but we got her back together. We are back in order, okay? So this is how the wig install turned out. I think it turned out super cute, y'all. If you would like to see more affordable wig installs on my YouTube channel, wigs under $100, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're interested in checking out this wig, I will leave a link down below because you don't want to miss this bad boy. A cute wear and go closure glueless wig under $100. That's a freaking steal, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly do appreciate your continued love and support. If you would like to know how I get free wigs and how I get paid to post videos like this one, definitely make sure you check out my digital course. I'm going to leave a link in the description box down below for you guys, as well as pin a comment for that. And if you would like to see my latest get ready with me video so you can get your face beat like this, definitely click the video right here to keep the party going.